ComethSwap Crypto Swap Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to ComethSwap are in the description. ComethSwap is a decentralized exchange, DEX, built on Polygon, designed to provide fast, low-cost, and efficient token swaps while integrating DeFi and GameFi elements. Unlike traditional DEXs, ComethSwap is part of the Cometh ecosystem, which includes NFT-powered gaming and yield farming, making it a unique option for both traders and blockchain gamers. One of ComethSwap's main advantages is its ultra-low transaction fees, thanks to Polygon's Layer 2 scaling solution. Users can swap assets with near-instant confirmation and minimal gas fees, solving one of the biggest pain points of Ethereum-based DEXs. The platform supports ERC20 token swaps and provides liquidity pools where users can earn passive income by supplying liquidity. A standout feature is ComethSwap's liquidity mining program, where liquidity providers are rewarded with Must tokens, the native governance and utility token of the Cometh ecosystem. Must holders can stake tokens, participate in governance decisions, and earn additional rewards. The integration with Cometh's NFT gaming ecosystem also means that users can access additional incentives and rewards for engaging with both the DEX and the gaming platform. For users looking for cross-chain opportunities, ComethSwap is connected to other blockchain networks through bridges, enabling seamless transfers between Polygon, Ethereum, and other chains. The platform is fully non-custodial and permissionless, meaning users retain full control over their assets without needing to sign up or complete KYC verification. Security is another priority, as ComethSwap uses audited smart contracts to ensure safe and transparent trading. Its user interface is designed for ease of use, making it accessible to both DeFi newcomers and experienced traders. Overall, ComethSwap is a fast, cost-effective, and innovative DEX that combines DeFi trading, liquidity farming, and NFT gaming into one ecosystem. If you're looking for low-fee swaps, high-yield opportunities, and GameFi integration, ComethSwap is a great choice. Links to ComethSwap are in the description.